ready to kill me bomber class anymore. I'm to kill bomber class you. I'm ready to kill myself much to kill you. And myself it should have value more than blood clot you.
You know, Fox, you suck too much pussy.
And I'm going to if I don't kill you. Before some make up my mind and kill myself to rascal.
You know, I'm going to tell you kill your face. Hey, how you there, such a son? Eh?
Hey, push the rascal. When you talk about me and my bomber class here, I bet you must sit in here for you. I bet you eat this Easter bun to push it class. I bet you prefer to eat your bomber class. I bet you and me, they need to eat. Me no matter what you want, blood clot do me. I will lie down and give up myself to you. You push the rascal.
You put on the chisel then, no? Put on the chisel. Can lick coffee that for your body.
Alright, when I'm coming, you know, I come like a thief in the blood clot like a bomb. I will come like a thief in the pussy clot like you. You know, so I beg me legs. You say me begs that all my mother pussy tongue lean.
Make my go papa.
Yo, Merrick! I lick man flick in their face, you know. I lick man flick in their face. Come back, sir.
Let me not get you God kill me to rascal. I'm not in the jigsaw, you know. But you're facing it. You take me bomber rascal thing. Under this blood clot me. 13,000 I'm taking the jigsaw, you know, question. You know, so you can get a jigsaw for your 5,000 and 4,000. You can't take me a bomber rascal, million bomber clot times. Because I can't go talk to the commission of bomber rascal police. Me not afraid. You don't kill my brother down here, sir, and then tell me up at pussy clap police station and say, any man fuck with me, come up here and them will tell me in America if you want. Of course.
Where's America go?
We can go foreign if you want, anywhere we want. Because you don't kill my brother down here, I'm afraid of blood clot. I'm afraid of you. And you say we must careful of you.
You know that you have too much force, make you nervous, sir. You man, go drink serum, man. Your stomach upset.
Bleeding red dirty bomber blood rascal. Let me tell you who me is then. You know, I want to make me a bitch from serious, you know. You know, fucking idiot. Come, careful of yourself. Keep out of this blood clot. Because you're me and your father are virgin and I respect him. We respect him 100%. And because you must have. You just buy quarter while. How much will you Hey, dirty pussy bomber rascal, boy. You see how your mother bomber rascal, dude? If you don't drain out underneath that pussy rascal and drink what you have tonight, you drunk for rascal. I'm going to get your blood rascal. You look at that same thing when you bomb up that week. Because me, no afraid I go for the commissioner office. If you don't fuck with me wouldn't fuck with you. No.
Tell us you can work
Until tell me, say, me was careful of blood clot. You know. So you see me be confused, me be running from blood clot. You know. Because when you run on my brother out there and kill him, bomb clot. You know. When you run on my brother and kill him, and kill 7 more men along the line with him, make it.
That's the end of the very show for today.
To the way the loving when me give you make your eyes sore. You know it's Wicked Hype, and from it's Wicked Hype is the wickedest videos in the world. To all boys and girls, totally muckily.